If you want to win this product, very simple thing. What you have to do is... This is a product of Tesla Model 3 and Y cooling seat cover with ventilated breathable seat cushion. You can save some money by using my code ANANTO, and this product is sent to us by Hansshow. And if you are familiar with Tesla accessories, Hansshow is a very popular brand out there in the market, and they make some premium quality products. Hello everyone, we're back with another product review. As you guys can see and watch in my channel, last few days I have been making review videos because I didn't get version 12.5 because my car is hardware 3. That's why Elon didn't send the software version 12.5 to my car, but I'm waiting. It's been 12 days and I didn't get the version, but we have some cool products, and this is a seat cover that can give you cool air. Yes, that's correct. It's a seat cover that has some features that can blow cool air from your backside, right? So this is a white color seat cover that has that feature, and we have some cable that we can connect to our cigarette lighter port, and we can use that as a cooler in our car. And it has a button right over here. As you guys can see, we can turn that on, off, and stuff like that. So what do you guys think about that product? I know it's a thing that you can attach in your car very easily, no problem at all, but I'm gonna set it up in my car and we'll see how this performs and how the airflow is and stuff like that. So stay tuned. And also, if you want to win these, I'm just gonna send this over to any of my subscribers who watch my video. Just comment below anything in this video and I'll send that to you, one winner. So don't forget to comment anything, whatever you want. If you think anything good or bad about this product, you can just write down that. So as I can see, there is a pocket here, the button here, and we can definitely set this up in my car, and we'll see how this one performs and how the airflow is and how it sustains. I'm gonna see how comfortable it is because you have to sit on it, and we're gonna see how it gives air in our back and in your bottom part. So we're gonna definitely see how it performs. So let's get into the car and see how it works, right guys? So we are back in the car, as you guys can see, and here is our product. It's very straightforward. You just have to put this one, the white rope, in the headrest, as you guys can see right over here, and set it up. And like this, like it's just set it up right now. But if you want, there is some fixing rope here and plastic here so that you can just put it under the seat to tighten up a little. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do that right now, and it's coming from the other side, and you can just pull it from the opposite side, and it's done, as you guys can see. And there is another rope that you can set it up in the bottom. So right now we're gonna do that as well. So right now it's fixed like that, as you guys can see, and here is the switch and how you're gonna turn it on. And they provide a cigarette lighter charging cable that you can set it up by yourself very easily. And I'm just gonna unplug this one. It's very hot outside in New York, but we have to do it. So one thing I'm just gonna notice, because I already have a cigarette lighter here, so I can't use that. If they just provide 1 or 2 USB port in the bottom, right over here in the bottom, so that I can just use my existing cable with it. So right now they don't do it, but probably in the future I suggest them to give 2 USB port here so that I don't have to unplug my current cigarette lighter. So I'm just gonna push that in, and I'm just gonna connect this to this. As you guys can see, the light already turned on here. You can do some cable management for this video. I'm just gonna keep that like this, and I'm gonna turn this off. I'm just gonna get into my car right now, and we'll see how it felt to sit on it. Now I feel a little cold, like not too much. The wind is not blowing so hard. So there are like 3 menus here. Red is for hot air, and blue, I really don't know what does it mean by blue, but probably like neutral. And when you press green, it's like, you know, like cold air is gonna blow you from the bottom and from the back side of the seat. I can definitely feel it, a little cold, a little, very subtle, not too much. So if you like this product, you can use my code ANANTO, ANANTO, and you can save some money. No money to you, it's just a referral code, and you can save money. It doesn't cost anything to you. So remember that to use my code ANANTO, ANANTO, to get some dollar off, right guys? So as you guys can see, I'm sitting here. Let's see how the comfort is. No, you don't feel anything, any tech in back or is like bothering you. I can definitely feel something in the bottom when I'm sitting it. I can definitely feel something. It's not like 100% comfortable. I'm just gonna be honest. They send this product for free, but I am someone who is gonna give you honest opinion. It's not like very cushiony or very soft. It definitely has some tech under it, right? But what I'm saying, it will definitely feel there is something. It's not very comfortable like the Tesla seat. You just have to be honest, right? I'm not someone who is just gonna tell like, oh my god, he sent it, so it's 100% good. It is good. You can feel in my, I'm feeling right now very cold in the back, like very cold, because my AC is on 68. So definitely my car is cold, but when the AC is blowing and that fan is running, so it makes a little cooler, right? Cooler. It's very subtle and you can feel definitely in the back like a little cold feeling. So as I was sitting here, you can see the light, but one thing I noticed that the button is very close to my leg, that mistakenly when I get into my car, it was hot, like the button was red, so the seat will blow you like hot air, right? But on cold, so the button placement could be a little lower that I can press, and the seat feels a little narrow. It's not exactly optimized for the seat sizing. It has a little gap in left side of 1 inch and right side of 1 inch, but it doesn't feel or bother you so much. But I can definitely feel that there is something in my back that is blowing cold air, and if I touch the bottom part, I can feel very subtle cold thing. Also guys, if you want to win this product, very simple thing, what you have to do is hit the subscribe button, leave a comment in this video. That's it, free. I'm gonna send this product to you free. Okay, one winner will get this product for free. Just hit the like, subscribe, and comment below. Also guys, this is a very good product. Thank you for sending this, and I would really appreciate if you guys use my code to purchase this. If you feel like it's very summery in your area, you need immediate air in your backside, because Tesla Model Y and Model 3 doesn't have that cooling seat. The new Highland model has it. Probably Model Y will have definitely in the future, but right now currently hardware 3, hardware 4 doesn't have cooling seat, but we have it, right? So you can use it. You can see that it completely matches with the white color, so it looks very premium. So one more thing I just forget to tell you, whenever you sit, it's gonna automatically turn on because of the sensor. Definitely in the bottom, when it feels the weight, it turns on automatically, which is a great feature. So you don't have to turn on, turn off, or something like that. Whenever I just move up, it turns off. Right now I sit down, it turns on. Very good. I don't have to press that button anymore. I can definitely feel a little vibration in my bottom part. I feel like if this is a massage something, it would be really great to use it, because it will probably vibrate in the back side and in the bottom. That will be great. But it also has a pocket here. You can leave your phone, keys, or anything right over here. That's it guys. What do you think about this video? And also, if you guys want me to review more product in near future, leave a comment that please review some more product. If you have any specific product, please let me know in the comment, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring that product in my house and set it up in my car and definitely review that. Thank you for watching guys, and use my code ANANTO, ANNTO, to purchase this product. Thank you for watching guys. I love you so much, and have a wonderful day.